Well, we're going to end this show out with the reason for the day, the reason for the weekend, the one and only Mr. Popcorn Sutton. I wrote this song back before Popcorn actually passed away. Then had to reword it a little bit and got the chance to sing it at his memorial service and just tells the story about his life and in honor of him. So here's the popcorn. That's what I was getting ready to say. It needs to be some light liquor, but you know how that goes. We'll get into that in a minute. Alright, here we go. Let me tell you a story about a friend of mine. His name is Popcorn Sutton, and he makes moonshine. He heads to the mountains in his E-Model Ford, and looking for a place to hide his steel once more. After the mash finished cooking and his jars they can fill, well, that moonshine liquor will kick you in the ass. If you don't believe me, just try a glass. Moonshiners lives one hell of a life. You know that Popcorn Sutton was doing fine, but the revenue's got him, now he's doing time. His friends tried to help him so that he could stay, but the judge wouldn't listen and they sent him away. Now the work is finished and the shine is made, and pass around the jar, some music will play. The party will be over in a short time, because Popcorn Sutton will be doing time. Well, the fans will think they have done their chore, 'cause old Popcorn Sutton won't be back no more. Moonshiners lives one hell of a life. You know that Popcorn Sutton was doing fine, but the revenue's got him, now he's doing time. His friends tried to help him so that he could stay, but the judge wouldn't listen and they sent him away. His coffins in the bedroom, his headstones in the yard. He's a legend of his time with friends from afar. Ain't that right? Well, he cursed like a sailor, and that was just fine. He sure loved his wife Pam and making moonshine. Love you, Pam. Moonshiners lives one hell of a life. You know that Popcorn Sutton was doing fine, but the revenue's got him, now he's doing time. His friends tried to help him so that he could stay, but the judge wouldn't listen and they sent him away. And Popcorn Sutton won't be back no more, 'cause he left out Monday in his 3-ton Ford. Memory of Popcorn. Lift your spirit to the sky. Thank you guys so much. We're Randolph and the Outta Band. Hope you guys have had as much fun as we have. Love y'all. Make sure you go to our website and see where we're playing. Come out and party with us again. We'll see you guys here again next year.